Welcome back. The Brasil Junket group has made only part payment to the government. Glen Ticlo, Avertano Furtado, Almeida and Benjamin Silva had made a trip to Brazil for the recently held FIFA World Cup. 31st July was the last day to repay the amount spent for the tour, but the group has demanded extension in time, citing reasons of ongoing assembly session. Brasil Junket was the heated controversy in Goa. 3 MLAs along with the cabinet minister witnessed FIFA World Cup in Brazil. Fisheries Minister Avertano Furtado, Aldona MLA Glen Ticlo, Vasco MLA Almeida and Valley MLA Benjamin Silva were a part of the Junket group. Now it's time to repay the government's financial aid. 31st July was the last day to repay the whopping amount of 14,10,000 rupees each, out of which Avertano has repaid only 3 lakhs. Glen Ticlo, Almeida and Benjamin Silva have paid 2 lakhs each. The balance amount of 47,40,000 is yet to be paid. The Junket group has sought extra time to repay the amount to the government. They have cited reasons of ongoing assembly session. Till now, the group has paid only 20% of the amount spent. Bureau Report, Prudent. Fishermen are all set for deep-sea fishing in the state as 60 days long monsoon ban on mechanized fishing ends on Thursday. However, they are awaiting arrival of 100% workforce as only 60% laborers have returned from native states. Fishing activity may resume full-fledged after a couple of days. 1st June to 31st July was declared fishing ban period in Goa.
आता न्यू सीजन कॉमेस जाता ऑगस्ट 1 तारखेर सो फुटकार सगळे खुशाल आहात थोडे माना येयल्यात थोडे म्हणजे 60-70% माना येयल्यात आनी येवपाचे आहात सो आय होप दे विल बी बॅक विदीन 1-2 days आता पळया ह्या वर्साक कशें सीजन जाता ते
NCP has accused CM Parrikar of failing to present special stated case accurately to the centre. Spokesperson of NCP, Prudent said government is not willing to grant any goodies to Goa. He said cabinet ministers should tender their resignations to the CM and create constitutional crisis for the sake of special status.
Me and myself, जी कारस्थान आता वी येयले त्याचा अर्थ ताका खबर आसा की स्पेशल स्टेटस मेळना आणि गोंयच्या लोकांक दाखोवंक सोदता की आमी सगळे गेले आनी सगळे फेल जाले चीफ मिनिस्टर इज क्लोज टू नरेंद्र मोदी इज करेक्ट बट नरेंद्र मोदी इज नॉट क्लोज टू चीफ मिनिस्टर हे सिद्ध जाले स्पेशल स्टेटस इज टू रिमेन गोवन्नन्स आणि हे आता सिद्ध जाता की अंडर भारतीय जनता पार्टी जी सदांच यूपीए बोट दाखयताले आणि यूपीए तर कितें तरी सांगताले की आमचे उरलेले पार्टनर आयकोन आसले हांगा सुद्दां ती परिस्थिती ना देवाचे कृपेन हिंका सगळी क्लीन मेजॉरिटी आसा तरी हिंका गोंयकारांक कितें दिवपाचें ना आतां हें गोंयकारांक दिवपाचें ना काय मुख्यमंत्री आसतना हो दिवपाचें ना हो आतां प्रश्न आसा द चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅज नॉट प्रेजेंटेड द केस or has failed to present the case miserably before the center and his own party and his own government आधी तो सांगतालो हे यूपीए वाले आपणा आयकोंक पासून कबूल ना आता तुझेच लोक तुका आयकोंक कबूल ना की सगळी फटींगपणां घेवन वयता तेय जाणांक ते म्हणटात तुवें लोकांक फटयले तर फटयले आमी उगी रावले पूण तुजी फटींगपणां आमी सहमत ना दिस इज द मिनींग all the cabinet entire cabinet should tender his resignation and give it to the chief minister constitutional crisis has to be created so that the high command and the government at center and all political parties at center understand the seriousness of the issue.
Prudent said that CM is fooling people on regional plan. He says, despite assurances, Parrikar has taken another U-turn.
If you have a regional plan and it is free for all to buy, Goa is finished. So this has got priority. And that, yes, come about regional plan, I'm not trying to say it is not important, it is long overdue. That's another fraud that is going on. His argument, what is common here and what is common here in 25 is being permitted. Who told you it is acceptable?
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.